Okay, we were a little bit thirsty, so we're gonna make smoothie. So today we are making chocolate kisses on bananas. So my mom is gonna help. So come on, Leah. And I see you eating chocolate under the table. Come on, let's open it. To do this smoothie, we need bananas, some milk, and chocolate kisses. And my sister's just hiding. My chocolate kisses. Yeah. And sugar. And a blender. And remember to clean everything up. Ask a parent to help you with the blender. Ooh. I love the smell, so we're gonna get started. Now, first, let's peel the banana. There's like there was bananas. Remember to wash all your fruits. Only one fruit. Because of banana and apples. Do not put apples and bananas. That's so. I see. All right. So I'm gonna get started. The banana. I have to wash your hands when we do this. I washed my hand earlier ago. So I'm fine. Yes, Ghost Hide and Seek is the funniest game. So I'm gonna do it. Bananas. Mom's gonna hand me some banana. So I'm gonna add the chocolate. Okay, we need some milk. Okay, I'll add the milk. Roll some milk. Add the banana. That was hilarious. Leah, no, it's gonna spill. Okay, thank you. And now we're gonna get some eyes. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel. Do a big thumbs up for this. Thank you guys for being my fans. So that is cool. So my mom sent me out. Give me some eyes. You need a parent to help you with this. My mom is helping me with the blender. Okay. Mom is helping me with this. So that was crazy. My brain was all over the place like screaming. So I'm gonna taste the drink. I hope it tastes good. Not. That's Leah's cup, and this is my cup. I'm gonna taste. Guys, it tastes so good. I love it. Nom nom. Wait.
Here we are. Hold it. Use yours.
And toast. Let's taste. It tastes good. Leah, drink it.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like chocolate, bananas, and strawberry.
Strawberry? There's no strawberry in this.
It tastes like a rainbow. It tastes like rainbow. It tastes so good. That was good. More. Yeah. Drink it. Thank you guys. hope you enjoy
This yummy drink.
You have to ask, and they say yes. You watch my video. I don't want to leave the video right now. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Amy's kisses are blowing.